The Seaside Boardwalk has reasserted itself as a top entertainment zone after rebuilding from the destruction of 2012 Superstorm Sandy and a boardwalk fire nearly 10 years ago. Casino Pier offers updated classic rides, like bumper cars and disco, as well as a massive Ferris wheel and the Hydrus roller coaster. Its Breakwater Beach Waterpark offers plenty of twisty slides, a lazy river, and some smaller thrills for little kids, including several family-friendly attractions such as flying elephants, crazy cabs, and a mermaid parade. There is plenty of pirating fun for the younger kids and games of chance for all ages. And like every great boardwalk, there's plenty to eat, tasty treats, and souvenirs.